This is Johnny. I think we are ready for the low temperature test. It has been heavy snowfall last days. Okay, let's start the test. Handling road is clear. Be careful, the surfaces are frozen over.
The EQC is the ultimate car for everybody that really wants to get into the electric driving. Being first time behind the steering wheel of the EQC is really a great feeling. It's emotionally great to drive it. The operation here is very top secret. We incorporated all our knowledge of the electric cars we have built before. The customer will feel immediately that it is a typical Mercedes.
Now it's time for some hot laps on the ice lake.
Are you ready, guys?
Attention now, conditions are getting worse. This is a tough one.